1347.
Pretty good road.
Mm-hmm.
It needs to be worked on.
A little muddy because of the
Snow melt.
snow melt. Yeah. We're around the corner here. There we are. I am loving this camp spot. It's 32 miles north of Tok, Alaska. 125 miles from Fairbanks, Alaska. But what a gorgeous spot. We're the only ones here. How blessed are we to have this view? And I can see that view from my desk area, the back window of the living area, and from the dining room and kitchen. How sweet is that? Let's zoom in. Oh my gosh. Just absolutely gorgeous. Our camping area is pretty big too. Pretty level. Kim and Daryl's rig over there. And we have both have beautiful views. This is amazing. I know we have a gorgeous view, but it's 9 o'clock at night. Is that not amazing? Oh my gosh. So pretty though. So pretty. Yep. The sun doesn't go down until late. Normally what? 11 o'clock? 12? And it's only going to get worse. Well, I don't know if you call this worse, but it's going to stay daylight for a long time. Look at that. It is, I don't have the flash on, okay? It is 1 a.m. Is that not amazing that you can still see at 1 a.m. without a flashlight? Without a flashlight. Wow. It's hard to get your bedroom dark when it's light out all the time. We're going to put foil over the windows. Our windows are tinted, so, you know, we won't look like a meth lab running down the road. So we're going to see how well this works, because now lots of light comes in and it's hard for Bobby to sleep. I can sleep anytime, anywhere. So let's get her done. I covered this window with foil, okay? And what I'm going to run a piece of tape across here to seal that up. And probably put another one right there. You see how you can cover it up so it's completely dark. And then I'm going to pull my shade down and look at this one. I think Mr. Childers can sleep in here now. It does make it very dark. That makes a huge difference. I know we have light coming in this door behind me, but when we have our front door shut, and it is finally nighttime, because what we're thinking about doing with the door, thinking about getting a pool noodle and put up there, and one on the bottom, and that'll seal that completely up. And I'm going to put foil on this. I have reflectives under there, but apparently that's not doing enough. So I'm going to cover it with foil. And we have a blackout on this. My friend Kim gave me this here. And that's a blackout for the bathroom window because there was a ton of light coming in here. That works great too. When you come to Alaska and it's daylight 24/7, if you put foil over your windows, it'll do the trick. Take y'all up here to the rest area. That's where we're going to dump our trash. It's been a pretty nice stay here, huh?
Great. Last 2 days.
Yeah. Nice and quiet. We really needed a break. All that moving in that rough road the last...
Yeah, that beat us up pretty good. That rough road is not nothing to fool with.
I'm telling you.
You
Gosh.
have to have both hands on the wheel. 30 miles an hour, 20 miles an hour in some places.
Mm-hmm.
Use a lot more fuel because you can't maintain your speed. It took us 7 hours on a normal 5-hour drive.
Yeah.
That's pretty though. Wow.
It is absolutely gorgeous. I'll never get tired of this view.
It's a big one.
It's huge.
Kind of reminds you of the Tetons.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of similar because we're 1,600 now. I don't know how high these mountains are. I know the Tetons are around 13,000. Well, just a different looking mountain. The Tetons are more jagged.
Yeah. And they're straight up.
These are wide and up.
Yeah. It's pretty sweet though. Our whole time here on this trip has been just, breathtaking. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, we're here at the rest area. There's a garbage can right there too. Let's walk out here. Oh, bear. We'll wait for Bobby. Because, you know, we are in grizzly country. I don't want to get eat alive. I had to wait for you because I didn't want to get eaten by a bear.
Who'd you tell it to?
Our viewers. It's just a little walk down here.
300 feet.
Y'all, look how thick it is.
Yeah. It's a couple feet
Jeez.
thick.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you can still really see it here. Somebody behind me there. Man, oh man. Got a video down there how deep that is. I think that ice is.
Come on.
Down underneath.